We've made it to Orlando. This is bedroom 1. Oh my gosh. Bathroom. What up?
So this is the next room. Yes.
So pretty.
And then whatever bed you get, you can take your gift bag. They're all basically the same. Bathroom again. I did that. So a case ready.
My God.
No. That cake? No, I bought that at Target for $12. Oh my God, I'm taking a picture of that. And like one of the premium cabanas.
Guys, we are stuck.
I used to nice because I wanted it. So
Yes, all the Prosecco. It is breakfast time at the villa. I'm enjoying my bagel that Alanna made me. Love you.
with love.
I'm ready to go. We're at our first stop at Animal Kingdom. I've got my Disney red on. My nails are ready to go. Got some little Mickeys. Just went on our first roller coaster. I almost barfed. Dino-rama. There's his head. I could temporarily switch my birthday to March. Now we're in Africa. If I could be anything in life, I'd want to be one of these cute little things. It's a meerkat. Look at him. Scavengers. Oh my goodness. Need to know. Friends. When I was a young warthog. Zebra light. Wow. Nice butts.
They're gorgeous creatures.
Turn around.
The stripes are actually like...
Wow, nice stance. Hey, beauty.
Obviously, the hippos are very large animals, weighing in at around 5,500 pounds when they're fully grown. Even newborns can actually be around 70 to almost 85 pounds. Closest to us right now is actually a baby. It's actually around 3 to 4 years old, so it kind of gives you an idea how quickly they grow. Giraffes that are found here on the reserve are known as the Maasai giraffe. And you know this because of their very messy and chaotic spot patterns. Those spots can pretty much take any kind of shape all over their body. And despite a giraffe's size, they actually are kind of fast. When running, they can actually reach a top speed of around 20 to 30 miles per hour. It's the elephant's way of trying to coat themselves with their own natural sunblock. The elephants also do a pretty simple way of trying to cool themselves down. They'll simply just flap their ears. By getting a nice air current to those blood vessels right behind the ears, elephants can actually lower their body temperature. There's actually one right there, standing at around 5 to 6 feet tall on the shoulder. Over here on our right side, you can see the smallest antelope in Africa, the springbok. Ability that is known as prunk, so dense you can actually have a fully grown man surround on top one of them. The shells will not crack at all. And just one ostrich egg is actually the equivalent of 16 chicken eggs.
So can you see the bands on the flamingo's leg? Can you see the
We're walking through the avatar world of Canada. So green. There's our mini bride. There's me and my cap. We've arrived to Germany at Epcot. Look how fun. Snow White. I'm making a big ol' wish. We're having lunch at Spice Road table.
Also dinner.
Right, gals?
Also
yeah,
snack.
we linner. We linner in Disney. I have hummus fries. They're chickpea fries that taste. We're leaving Epcot. Such a warm and beautiful day. But it's not over yet because we are off to Magic Kingdom.
Please
Third
stand
and
clear
final
of the
park
door.
of the day.
Por favor, manténganse alejados de las
Por favor,
puertas.
let's go.
If
Off
you're
to
standing,
Magic Kingdom.
please hold on to the handrail.
Extra magic. Merry-go-rounding. Alanna is moseying along in her ring mobile. Yes, living her best life in the lazy river. Congrats! Bridal dinner
With gator bits. Featuring Everett. Gator bites. And your maid. He's eating too. Yeah.
Let's get these plates and we're all gonna do it at once.
No, if you're gonna.
Claire's here.
Ab, I'm about to eat
Team's
gator
on here.
for the first time ever.
Try it.
It seems like undue pressure.
Ab, I got you some stuff.
You're just remembering facts differently.
Do a dip.
Alligator.
Okay,
That's
testimony,
right.
go.
What does it taste like?
Chicken?
It's deep fried, I mean.
Try it again.
Honorable
Her eyes make stars look like they're not shining. Cheers for life. Cheers. Live with what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. The dollar sign on a piece of mind, 'cause I've come to know.
Oh, thank you, my
You
necklace.
agree, I'm drinking me your glass for a toast to
Team
the
Bride.
day.
Hello from Magic Kingdom. Today we were doing the park all day in our custom shirts, my new floral ears. Just took photos with the princesses. Have a beautiful little dance going on behind. It's a good day. It's so cute! Oh my god! Vomit inducing! We are enjoying an iconic Disney snack, the Dole Whip. How's the Dole Whip?
Dole Whip-licious.
I want people to sing to me every day at 4:30. I think that's on. We just arrived. Look at this doorway into our dinner spot. Yes. Wow, look at this ballroom. Today we're at Gatorland. You know who's stealing the show? This guy. We just went on a gorgeous hike through this forest. It is a very warm day here in Florida. We just saw a gator tamer show, sat on the gators, took photos with the gators. They are so lovely. Despite their bad reputation, these ones are well behaved. Some pretty awesome birds.
Yeah, there's like a bird. You are so cool.
And then bodyguard. Gator guard. Gator guard. Grandpa Gator. Greg the Gator.
I don't think he has teeth.
I think he's a Greg. Some people ziplining over the caters. Time to feed the babies. None of them are really looking at me. In the center should be good. Ooh. Quick, quick, quick. Who's gonna get it? Ooh, almost. Very good work. Yeah. Smile for the photo. Thank you. Got the sticker. These milkshakes are no joke.